Hi guys, I'm Julius and today I'll be teaching you this super cool color change effect in Adobe After Effects. So I'm here in my After Effects where I prepared a clip of a car. It helps that the car is a kind of vibrant color and not like white or black, because we will be using a hue and saturations to change the color. So the first thing I'm gonna do here is just zoom a little bit in on the car so I can see what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna search for an effect called hue/saturation. And just apply that. With the channel control, I'm gonna choose the greens here. Now you can see here, if I change the green hue, that the color of the car will change. What I'm then gonna do here is, because it doesn't capture the entire car, is just move the slider a little bit. It looks like it's over in the kind of blue area. That is absolutely correct. But what you will notice now here is that the windows actually also change color. So we actually gotta kind of create a mask here. So let me just zoom in again a little bit here. I'm gonna select my pen tool here. I'm just gonna draw a rough mask around the car. Alright, now that I've done this here, I'm gonna come up into window and make sure that I have my tracker selected here. Then in my tracker here, I'm gonna click track selected mask forward with position, scale and rotation selected, and just let this run. Alright, it is done running. Let me just zoom out here to 100% fit and see if I'm happy with the mask. So yeah, I am pretty happy with that. What I'm gonna do now is actually duplicate our layer here. Open this layer here. Delete the hue and saturation effect. And delete the mask effect. So now what you can actually see here is that this mask that we just created, right, it makes sure that we don't change the hue of the windows. Next up, I'm gonna search for an effect called linear wipe. This one here under transition, and apply that to our mask layer. What I'm gonna do here is then turn the transition up to 100, so we have the original color. Go to where I want the animation to start. I'm gonna have it start after 15 frames. Enable keyframes on transition complete. Go maybe 1 second forward. Turn it down to 100 like so. And now we have this thing going on here. But actually I do not like this. I actually want to kind of maybe have it go the other way. So I'm going to change the wipe angle to 270. So it goes from left to right. That's nice. What I'm gonna do now here is just go to the center and just crank up the feather so we get a smooth transition here. Let me just zoom in a little bit here. As you can see, it doesn't get as harsh when you crank up the feather, the transition between the colors. So I'm maybe gonna do something really insane here, like 300 or something like that, just to see how that looks. But anyways, that was all I had for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, then please consider liking this video and leaving a comment down below, letting me know which type of tutorial you would like to see next. Also consider subscribing to my channel, I really appreciate it. But anyways, take care guys.